Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hassan and I'm part of the course Understanding Quran the Easy Way. I joined this course about 5 to 6 months ago, and as the case with almost every single student, I first had to attend the demo class. That demo class is what had ignited my passion for learning and reciting the Quran. My UQA teacher name is Brother Mubin, and he has a very unique character, that's what I feel at least. He is very cooperative and very interactive, unlike most teachers in India. Whenever I get busy or I cannot attend the class for some reason, I ask him whether I can attend the class sometime later. And he replies by saying, okay, fine, despite of him being very busy. This course also has two very innovative ideas by which they make their students learn. The first one would be by having a very interactive poem by which they make their students learn and memorize the rules in the Quran. And the second type would be a story by which they make the students understand how the shape earned its shape. For example, how a shadda got its form from a fatha. I recommend everybody else to join this course and enjoy reciting Quran like never before. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.